Hey everyone, today we're talking about this. Here it is. It's called New Wash by Hairstory. And this is a non-shampoo which does it all. It cleanses your hair like a shampoo does. It conditions your hair like a conditioner does. It also means that you can maybe use less of it, as in go longer without washing your hair. Or you can wash it daily, and it does say that. And it also works out to be cheaper than your general shampoo and conditioner because you're not using a conditioner. Okay, so as you can tell from my sarcastic tone, I did not have a very good experience using this at all. Now it's worth noting that my hair is oily and it gets oily daily. So I was interested to try this, especially the deep version, which is for oilier scalps, because I thought, well, this would be great if it works. That way I won't have to wash my hair every single day. So here's the thing. This comes in 236 mils or 8 fluid ounces, and it costs you about £44, at least that's what it cost me. So what you do is you wet your hair and you use one of these, which is the Hairstory scalp brush. You don't get it free, you have to pay for it. And it was around about £13, 10 to £13 I think. So you apply this product, which really, to me, looked like a conditioner, and you massage it through the hair. You use your scalp brush to really go through it. You leave it in place, do your other bits and bobs, and then you rinse it out, and voila, your hair is glowing. Now it says it can take a few uses or a week or so in order to see the real benefits of this. So the first time I used it, I decanted all of this into a pump, and I had to use 5 pumps, and I do not have hair down to here. And after I'd massaged it in and done all of that and rinsed it out, and every day on my hair I would use either a wax or a gel and a dry shampoo. That's what I put on my hair. After I'd rinsed this product out, it was filth. My hair still felt absolutely vile. I ended up using another 3 pumps and rinsed it all out, dried it, and it did look fine. It didn't look the same as it would with a shampoo, but it didn't look dirty and there was no product residue in there. So all in all, in the first use, I used 7 pumps. The second use, which was the day after, my hair was greasy as ever the day after, the same as it would be using any other shampoo. So I had no choice but to use it. But I was hoping that as time went on, I would be decreasing the amount I would use this. So I had to use it again. Again, I used 4 pumps this time, which seemed to work this time. And again, you know, I got it all out, did the scalp thing and all of that. But every single day, my hair was still greasy. I finished using it last night, and this entire packet, £44, lasted me 9 days. 9 days. So if I was to use this indefinitely, it would cost me a couple £100 a month in order to use this. Now, here's my hair the day after. So it is greasy and lank, and just like it is every single day, this made no difference. The thing that did make the difference is the fact that it cost me £44 for something that lasted a little over a week. Now, I don't know if this is any different, truthfully, than just, you remember when hair care? I don't know if it's any different to that. I have no idea. Personally, I think this is just a conditioner. That's how I feel about it. In fact, I could probably get the same result just using a conditioner from Asda here in the UK for a couple of pounds. But if you've used this, let me know. Now, what is interesting is I bought with it 3 other products. I bought the Hairstory powder, which costs an astonishing 30 something pounds. It was so expensive for basically a dry shampoo. And you can't see this, but I can, holding it up. It is less than half full, so it could have shrunk it. Let me get a little mirror here, right? So I'm going to show you. You're supposed to aim it towards the kind of root area of your hair, and it kind of comes out if you just shake it. And you're supposed to give it a bit of welly, And what it does is it magically restores your hair and helps with the grease and the oil. And as you can see, it's really not done that at all. You have to use a bugger load on greasy hair, like mine. So I'd actually have to do it through the roots of the hair, and it makes it feel really, really, like, I can't explain, so dry. It is, you know, really, really dry. And for that kind of money, I know it's a dry shampoo, but for that kind of money, I would expect it to do a little bit more. For £2 or £3, Batiste, sorry, the dry shampoo, so much better. You know, this stuff actually does do its job, and the only thing about it is it stinks. I hate the smell, but that instantly does the job, and voila, your hair looks cleaner. And I use the light one. And what you don't see on camera here is if I was to film this outside, my hair is actually very fair. On camera it comes across really dark, but it is not. So again, it feels like the emperor's new clothes to me. I also bought these two products, Lift and Undressed. Now both of these, Undressed is a sea salt shampoo, and then you've got the Lift, which is a lifting spray used with a hairdryer, I believe. Now let me say, both of them worked absolutely fine. The Lift did a really good job of adding volume to my hair. The only negative was it felt very, very dry afterwards. And the Undressed was great as a sea salt. Really good products, but for 30-something pounds each, I won't be replacing them because they're just too bloody expensive. That is my Hairstory review. I mean, I don't get it. And if you have used it and you think it is, you know, amazing, you know, you let me know, because for me, it just was an incredible letdown. And I can't justify spending another 40 quid, 44, 45 pounds, just to do another 9 days or so, if that, of a product that just really did not deliver. It really didn't. I honestly, truly believe if I just used a conditioner, I would have got the same, if not better results than I did from this product. What I do use on my hair and have continued to use, I have a very oily scalp and a very itchy scalp that can get very flaky, and it's disgusting. This product cost exactly the same price, almost. I think this was £45 that I got it for. It's the scalp shampoo. It's 1,000 mils. And just so you know, you can buy this almost in 1,000 mils, and it's something like £144 or something like that. It's really, really expensive. Or this for 1,000, and I use half a pump of this, and that is enough to clean my entire hair and scalp. I also don't get any dry hair or flaking. I'm now using it in my beard as well, since I have major troubles here with dry skin. But yeah, just not good at all. If you've used it and you love it, let me know. I checked out all the reviews, but every single review was really positive. And it was all from, you know, I should have known. It was all from companies, you know, the big glossy companies. Oh, I used this and it just transformed my hair. Oh, I didn't transform mine. That's all I'm going to say on the subject. It did not transform mine. I was left not impressed. Not impressed at all. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you all soon. Let me know if you've tried it, or when, or any of those other, you know, scalp, non-shampoo, shampoo, cleansing things. Yeah, let me know. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye-bye.